Today I'm going to show you an awesome strumming trick. Stick around. Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice Like a Pro, providing you with simple, clear guitar tips to help you on your guitar playing journey. So, I've got a great little strumming trick to show you, which is the very first kind of strumming thing that I show my students in my one-to-one lessons to sort of get them putting upstrokes while changing chords. John Lennon was supposedly the pioneer of this, but I do think people before him did it. So the idea is, you're strumming a chord, and when you get ready to change to the next one, you're going to play all the open strings, all 6 strings, with an upstroke open to bridge the gap between the chords. Something like this. Let me slow that down so you can really see what I'm doing. So when you slow this down, it doesn't sound very impressive, but when I pick the tempo up a little bit, starts to sound really impressive. Now, what's happening is, this works with the majority of the open chords that you learn at the start of learning to play the guitar, and that's because all these chords tend to be around a couple of keys, a key being a collection of notes that work really well together in a little family. And when you play all the open strings, if you were to add all those notes up together, you get what's called a G6 chord, and that's the reason that it works. If you were to try this with bar chords, you won't be as successful. So to begin with, we're just going to use a G chord and a C chord. Now you can do this either with 2 strums, then the upstroke, or 4 strums and the upstroke. For the first example, we're going to do 4 downstrokes, catch the open strings while we're changing to the next chord. So what we're going to do is, the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now the and is in the middle of beat 4 and beat 1 where we change chord. So the rhythm would be down, 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 up. So with the G chord, I'm going to fret a G and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Down, 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 down. Once you've done that and we're getting ready for a C chord, I want you to use that upstroke as an opportunity to get your fingers kind of hover over the fretboard in place of the C chord. Can you see how I'm looking like I'm making the C almost like air guitar shape, and then when I get ready for beat 1 after I've done the upstroke, all my fingers are in the right place and I just need to clench and strum the rest of the chord. So I'm going to go down, 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 up, and I'm changing to C, down, 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 up. I'll do that again nice and slowly. Down, 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 up, C, down, 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 up. And just practice ping-ponging between those 2 chords, or you could pick G and D, A minor and C. Whatever, as long as it's those kind of open chords, 9 out of 10 of them will work, and it's great practice. Once you've got that under your fingers, instead of doing 4 strums per chord, we're just going to do 2, and I've lifted this from American Pie, the chorus for American Pie, bye bye Miss America, etc. Now what we're going to do is, we're only going to strum each chord twice and do an upstroke while we're moving to the next chord. So this rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Notice how I'm saying the downs and ups in the rhythm that I want you to play them in. So we're going to start with the G chord, 2 downs followed by an up. While that upstroke's going on, we're going to move to C and do exactly the same. Down, down, up. Then we're going to go to G, down, down, up, and then to finish the phrase off, we're going to go to a D. Now, we are going to strum that D chord over 4 strings like you should do, with the D, the G, the B, and the high E. But when we do the upstroke, it doesn't matter, catch all 6 strings, you don't have to catch just the 4. So let's glue all that together. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. G, C, G, D. This is quite tricky because it's almost like patting your head and rubbing your stomach at the same time. If you ever tried to do that, it's quite difficult because you've got two limbs doing different things, and there's sort of definitely highlights the synchronization issues of trying to mix the two together. Stick with it. I tend to, with my one-to-one students, I get them to master this before we even think about doing any of the other strumming patterns, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, etc. And it's getting used to strumming the strings with an upstroke, and it just buys you that little bit of time to move to the next chord. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please let us know what you'd like us to cover next in the comments. If you like what we do here at Practice Like a Pro, please do consider subscribing. We upload 3 guitar lessons a week. And if you want to learn something else, please check out some of his other videos. Until I see you next time, thank you very much. Keep practicing like a pro. Cheers.